Hello, Prague. I'm Tor Ekeland, one of Roman Sterlingov's lawyers. As you may know, Roman was convicted by a federal court in Washington, D.C. this March for allegedly running the Bitcoin fog mixing service. We don't believe he did it. We think the jury came to the wrong verdict, and I'm just here really quickly to update you on his case. Right now, sentencing is scheduled for July 15th, but it looks like that might get moved to the fall. Once he gets sentenced, then we can submit our notice of appeal, and we will be appealing this case to the Federal Circuit Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia. We feel like there's a number of important and significant issues to appeal. Number one, venue. Why is this case in Washington, D.C. when Roman Sterlingov never set foot in Washington, D.C. or did any business in D.C. or knew anybody in D.C.? The sufficiency of the evidence on the tracing and the whole host of stuff that you can read about in the case if you just Google Bitcoin fog or Roman Sterlingov. Anyhow, another thing we wanted to say from the defense side is that we couldn't have gotten where we were, even managed to put on the trial without the support of the community. So Roman gives a big shout out to everybody, and we thank you too for allowing us to um, survive while we did this really, really important trial. The United States government is at war with Bitcoin and anybody who uses any kind of digital currency right now. But that faction of the United States government that is anti Bitcoin and digital currency is just that one faction. And the political tides are turning in the United States. And I urge everybody just to continually to normalize what we do in terms of cryptocurrency and privacy, because when we got in that court, people thought it was some kind of exotic thing a little bit. You know, what's normal to us can be exotic to other people. Just normalize it, talk about it, and get politically active because they are not unbeatable monoliths and they can be stopped and the tides are turning on them. So hang in there, keep up the good work. And once again, thank you.